everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that many of you have been asking about, the brand new 2026 Honda Motorhome. With the rise in popularity of RVing and road trips, Honda has entered the market with some truly innovative designs and features that promise to enhance your traveling experience. So, buckle up, grab a snack, and let's take a closer look at what the 2026 Honda Motorhome has to offer. First impressions matter, and Honda certainly knows how to make an impression. The 2026 model sports a modern, aerodynamic design that not only looks fantastic but also helps to improve fuel efficiency. With its compact size, it's perfect for navigating through narrow city streets while still providing ample living space for all your adventures. As you can see, the interior of the 2026 Honda Motorhome has been thoughtfully designed to maximize comfort and functionality. Right as you walk in, you're greeted with a stylish living area that features plush seating, tailored upholstery, and natural light streaming in through strategically placed windows. This particular model includes a versatile seating arrangement. Here, you have a cozy couch that can convert into a bed for extra sleeping space, a perfect solution for families or those traveling with friends. Now, let's talk about this kitchen. Honda has provided a compact yet fully functional kitchen area. It features a 2-burner gas stove, a microwave, and a refrigerator that offers just enough space to store all your favorite snacks. Plus, check out this beautiful countertop. It's made from durable materials that are easy to clean, making meal prep a breeze. Storage is always a concern in a motorhome, but Honda has cleverly included overhead cabinets and under-counter space to make sure you have enough room for all your essentials. Now, let's head to the bathroom. Honda ensures convenience even while you're on the road. The bathroom is designed with a compact shower, a toilet, and a small sink, allowing you to freshen up after a long day of adventure. It might be compact, but it's functional and well thought out. Next up, let's discuss the technology that Honda has packed into this motorhome. In 2026, technology trends have peaked, and the Honda Motorhome is no exception. At the driver's seat, you'll find an impressive digital dashboard. This display connects seamlessly with your smartphone via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to access navigation, music, and more right from your dashboard. No need to take your eyes off the road. Safety features have also been upgraded significantly. The 2026 Honda Motorhome comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, a rear-view camera, and lane keeping assistance. Honda has truly prioritized your safety whether you're on an open highway or navigating rural backroads. For those who love to go off-grid, the motorhome also has the option for solar panels, promoting sustainable travel while ensuring you have the necessary power to keep your devices charged and your comforts running. Now that we've covered the design and technology, let's talk about performance and efficiency, key aspects of any good motorhome. Underneath the hood, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is powered by a reliable and efficient 4-cylinder engine. Honda has always made a name for itself with its engineering, and this motorhome is no different. You can expect decent horsepower and torque for a vehicle this size, making it capable of tackling hills and winding roads with ease. One of my favorite things about driving this motorhome is how it responds to steering input. It feels surprisingly nimble for its size, making it easy to maneuver, whether you're parking at a campground or navigating through urban areas. Plus, Honda's suspension system is designed to provide a smooth ride, which is a game changer during long travels. And let's not forget about fuel efficiency. While many traditional RVs can be gas guzzlers, the 2026 Honda Motorhome is engineered with aerodynamics in mind, giving you better mileage than you would expect from a vehicle in its class. This means more adventures and less time stopping at gas stations. Now that sounds appealing, doesn't it? For those who love a personal touch, Honda offers a range of customization options. You can choose different color palettes for both the exterior and interior, ensuring you find a style that suits your personality. In addition to aesthetic choices, Honda provides several packages you can opt for, including upgraded appliances, enhanced entertainment systems, and custom storage solutions. Want a rooftop rack for kayaks? Or maybe an awning for some shaded outdoor relaxing? Honda has you covered. Now, let's talk about pricing and availability. The 2026 Honda Motorhome is gearing up for its official release early next year, and pricing is expected to be quite competitive compared to similar models on the market. While specific prices may vary based on options and packages, you can expect the base model to start around insert estimated base price here, with fully loaded versions going up significantly. This places it competitively within the class, especially given the quality and features Honda is offering. So, there you have it. The 2026 Honda Motorhome combines innovative design, cutting-edge technology, and practical performance to create a truly remarkable travel companion. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or embarking on a cross-country journey, this motorhome is designed to elevate your experience. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about the latest in automotive innovation, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and give us a like. Also, let us know in the comments what you think of the 2026 Honda Motorhome or if you have any other vehicles you'd like us to review.